Alright y'all, what is good everybody on YouTube? It is your boy Moody and you are watching Moody TV, and today you can already tell from the title and the thumbnail, so I'm really not gonna hold y'all up too much. I just want to get right to the shoes. This is gonna be what the box looks like for this shoe. I think it's a Next Nature colorway. So you get like this recycled box that it has right here. So that's going to be the wording that's going to be on the front. It's basically saying that the product is made with at least 20% of recycled materials. So that's always good there. Got the ties tag that reads that right there. Arctic orange, sanded gold. And then yeah, nothing too crazy about the box. Move to 0. Yeah, let's get right into it. Got regular paper here. When you pull that thing back, you got them bad boys. All right, so taking them out the box, these are just screaming Easter. All right, y'all, this is gonna be a really good Easter colorway. You got a lot of pastel colors going on here. You got the pinks, yellow, olive green. It's just a lot going on with, not too much going on with the shoe, but it's still a lot going on with the shoe here. I guess they have like a catalog of shoes that's gonna be like the Nike Sun Club. So on the tongue right here, it has that Nike Sun Club there with it. If we're looking at the materials on the outer borders of the uppers, it's gonna be like a type of tumble leather. So as you can see here, this is gonna be tumble leather all right there. And then the swoosh here on both the inside, on the inside of the shoe and on the outside of the shoe, you're gonna be looking at a suede material. And then the rest of the upper, you're looking at like a, I don't even know how to explain it really. It's not, is it a met? I don't know, y'all. What's this look like? Look, I hate to be that person, but what does look like, y'all? Mesh? That look like mesh to y'all? Look, it feels like a, I don't know, like a cotton. Look, I don't know. It's not leather, so it's not leather, so I'm trying to figure out if it's like a cotton or something like that. But the bottoms, on all the bottoms of the Next Nature shoes, you can kind of see it has like that speckle material there. Basically because this shoe is made up of recycled materials. If you look on the inside of the shoe here, it does have something where it says like uppers is made out of synthetic leather. If I can focus right here, uppers is made out of synthetic leather. Upper contains synthetic leather, and it's probably talking about like this, that it's kind of soft. If you wear these, they'll probably definitely break in, but these I ended up getting in my size on the sneakers app, like I said in the previous video for the military blacks. If you haven't seen that video, you might want to go ahead and check that out, because yeah, we did a little comparison. It was a nice pickup vlog or whatever. But we're talking about these Arctic oranges. Right now, resale prices for these aren't too crazy, and I want to say it's because the colorway is kind of, you know, out there a little bit. Not too many people are going to be able to pull off fits with this, but Easter Sunday is around the corner. So if y'all trying to get y'all Easter fits together, this is not a bad colorway to go with if you want to wear these type of colors. Yeah, you got a few different Easter colorways right now, but I did want to say that these right here aren't really reselling for too much. Every dunk that I talk about, every dunk that I feature on this channel, I'm gonna let y'all know if it's a dunk low, you can almost consider this to fit like a Nike Air Force One. Air Force Ones, in my opinion, fit really big. Plus, I have a really wide foot. My true size is 11.5. If I'm going for any high top shoe or high top Jordan, or if Yeezys are coming out, I normally get them in a size 12 because they run small, so I go a half size up. But when it comes to dunks, you definitely can, if possible, if you feel like it'll help you out when entering for these raffles and, you know, helping boost your chance, because the size matters, and depending on how much stock that they make of the shoe, you want to enter for the right size. So 11.5 is a very, very rare size. It's most likely the money size for most shoes. If you go on StockX, go and you look at any type of shoe and you go to 11.5, 9 times out of 10, it's gonna be the most expensive pair before you get it to 12.5, 13, you know. When you go from regular sizes to 12, 11.5 is typically the money size. So once I found out that these kind of run a little bit big, I don't know about Nike SBs, that's a little bit of a difference. Y'all can get in the comment section if you have any other questions. I don't want to rant about it on here. You can go a half size down on these. So normally I get an 11.5, but in dunks, I do get an 11. But yeah, y'all let me know in the comment section if y'all ended up hitting on this shoe as well, or if you ended up passing. If you think it's a decent colorway, but you don't know if you can really wear it or not, if you think I should keep these, all of that good stuff, y'all let me know in the comment section below. Wanted to keep this real quick and brief, record it and get it out to you guys real quick, because we got a lot more videos coming soon. If you're new to the channel, you're watching Moody TV. First of all, the reason why I named this channel is because I do a whole bunch of different things, and it's not going to be really limited to one specific set of videos. I want to try to mix it up. Lately, you know, I'm a sneakerhead, so I definitely get a lot of the shoes that come out. You know, at least I try my best. But, you know, we're also going to be going on a lot of trips here. So this upcoming weekend, my sister-in-law is going to be turning, what's she turning? I ain't going to tell y'all her age, but we going to New Orleans this weekend. The weekend after that, I'll be in San Francisco because it's my homie's birthday. So we going out to San Francisco, turning up with him. I got a whole bunch of videos that I haven't edited already that need to come out as well. Vacation vlogs. We've been to Cancun. We've been to Costa Rica. We've been to El Salvador. You know what I'm saying? I just got to get those videos out to y'all. So if y'all interested in any of that, you might want to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell, because once I start dropping them, they're gonna be dropping back to back to back. And the summer's coming up. I want to give some of y'all a little bit of motivation. Get y'all outside of the house. First of all, get vaccinated. You know, health is wealth. So you definitely want to be safe out here. Wear your mask, you know what I'm saying? Get vaccinated, but you know, more importantly, explore the world, y'all. Like, it's a lot going on, but don't let that discourage you from actually enjoying life. You know, just be cautious at the end of the day. Be wary. The things that you do and the things that you partake in. But I mean, outside of that, I'm done ranting for y'all. Make sure y'all get inside that comment section. Y'all let me know about these, all in all, and how y'all feel about them. But it's your boy Moody. I'm gonna check on out of here. I'm gonna let y'all go. Enjoy y'all day. Man, I'm gonna just see y'all in the next video. So, peace.